This is Chino with Electro Freeze Southeast. Today we are doing a disassembly video on an Electro Freeze 876 BRH. So typically you would have a cylinder full of mix. You'll want to dispense all that product out into a clean bucket, put it in your refrigerator for future use. We then want to pour in some sanitizer to rinse the rest of the product that's remained in there out, and then pour that down your sink. Then we're going to take all the parts apart. So we're going to first by taking the hopper cover off. We're going to unscrew the screws that are holding the door assembly on. So we want to gently, with both hands, lift the door assembly off. And then with both hands, we are going to lift the beater shaft out as well, to be careful not to dump this inside the barrel, which will create little pot marks. And then what we're going to do is to dip our cleaning brushes in some sanitizer, and we're going to want to put this through the hole on top to get all the product that's stuck inside out. We want to take the same brush and go up and then what we're going to do is take a towel, sanitize the towel, and then wipe down the inside hopper of the machine. I'm going to wipe the outside of the top out as well, and then we're going to wipe the freezing cylinder down, and wipe out whatever else in the front of the machine that might have gotten dirty. So these are all the parts we've taken out of our Electro Freeze 876 BRH. This is the quad seal. This is what stops the product door from leaking. This is our beater assembly. We're going to take these off. So they pop out pretty easy. These are the springs that hold the blades in. So you want to take those off. This is the beater seal. This keeps the beater from leaking product to the back of the machine. So we'll want to pop this out. We want to unscrew the knob. Then we're going to unscrew the nut that's holding the piston in. So this is our piston. Want to take the piston valve and the spring out. So easiest way is just to push it out. And that's our spring. And this is our bushing. Or door bushing, and we'll want to take these gaskets off to make sure that we don't trap any bacteria into these little grooves. You want to take that off the piston valve as well. So any gaskets that comes in contact with mix needs to be removed. So but we'll leave it at that, and you want to take all these parts and wash it in your 3-compartment sink and make sure it's properly sanitized before you put it back all together.